if you're a data engineer and going to attend the interview, or in your daily life you might have encountered this question or this issue, like what is difference between date add and date diff. So this is most asked interview question many people used to ask. So these two are part into the date function. Like while manipulating the date, you will get to use these two function in SQL Server. So what is the use of date add? Date, if you want to find the future date or previous date, right? So you will use the date add function. But if you want to find the difference between two date, then you will use the date diff function. So let's check how we will use this. So what I'll use, select date add. Okay. So I'll use this function, and in this function we have to pass three parameters. One is interval, like what type of the date we want to find, like object, month, day, or week. So I'll type here month as of now. Then we have to pass integer value, the difference, like we want to find how many month difference. So suppose I want to find the 3 month future, so I'll type 3, and then I'll use get date for getting the today date. So this function is used to get the current date, or we can use that as well. So if I'll run, right, you can see like this month is Jan, so it is giving the April 25 date. So ever means future of 3 month. Now like if you'll use the date diff, right? So little different. While using date diff, we have to pass the date diff. Then what I'll we have to do, we have to pass over here three interval as well. But what interval we want? Suppose month, we want month, right? So we will pass this month. Then we have to pass the starting date time and ending date time. So just pass the starting date time is this, and ending date time will be our get date. So this way, like we can use this date diff function. So just run it, and all set. Like we got the uh, this date, like -3, which is going into the future. Like if we want to use year over here, then we will get, I think we will not get 0, right? So this way we can utilize these two functions. And we can find week as well. If we want to go ahead to 3 weeks, then we can go and execute this. And if we'll pass over here this value, then we will get week. So just check it, -3. So this way we can use these two functions.